विना वेङ्कटेशं
विना वेङ्कटेशं
ननाथो
ननाथो
ननाथ
ननाथ
सदा वेङ्कटेशं
सदा वेङ्कटेशं
स्मरामि
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 हरे वेङ्कटेश
हरे वेङ्कटेश
प्रसीद प्रसीद
प्रसीद प्रसीद
प्रियं वेङ्कटेश
प्रियं वेङ्कटेश
प्रयश्च प्रयश्च
प्रयश प्रयश
Om Namo Venkateshaya. We've travelled so far in this stotram, from his radiant form to his compassion, from Krishna's flute to Rama's bow. We've seen surrender, joy, valor, sweetness, and now devotion in its purest shape. This verse is a soft declaration. I have no other Lord but you. I remember only you. Be pleased with me, give me what you wish, not what I want, but what you choose for me. This is not asking, it's about belonging. Now let's go to the line by line meaning of this beautiful shloka. Vina Venkatesham Nanatho Nanatha. Without Venkatesha, I have no protector, no guide, no true master. Sada Venkatesham Smarami Smarami. Always, always I remember him, in stillness and in motion, in joy and in silence. Hare Venkatesha Prasida Prasida. O Hari, O Venkatesha, be pleased. May your gaze fall kindly upon me. Priyam Venkatesha Prayacha Prayacha. Grant me, O beloved one, not what I desire, but what you desire for me. Now let's repeat this shloka twice, as if a prayer whispered every day. Vina Venkatesham Nanatho Nanatha Sada Venkatesham Smarami Smarami. Hare Venkatesha Prasida Prasida Priyam Venkatesha Prayacha Prayacha. Vina Venkatesham Nanatho Nanatha Sada Venkatesham Smarami Smarami. Hare Venkatesha Prasida Prasida Priyam Venkatesha Prayacha Prayacha. We've now reached the 9th verse. 9 steps closer, 9 layers deeper. Each one peeled back a ego, a little fear, until all that is left is this. I remember only you. Be pleased with me. Shall we chant all 9 now? Not to perform but to return, not to impress but to belong. Kamala kucha chuchuka kunkumato niyatarunita tulanilatano. Kamalayatalochana lokapate vijayi bhava venkatashilapate. Sachaturmukha shanmukha panchamukha pramukha kila daivata maulimane. Sharanagata vatsala saranide paripalaya mam vrishasailapate. Ativelataya tava durvishahairanuvela kritairaparadashatai. Bharitam tvaritam vrishasailapate paraya kripaya paripahi hare. Adhivenkatashailamudharamade janata-bhimatadi kadanaratat. Paradevataya gatitan nigamai kamaladayitanna parankalaye. कलवेणुरवावश गोपवधू शतकोटिवृतात् स्मरकोटिसमात् प्रतिवल्लविकाभिमतात् सुखदात् वसुदेवसुतान्न परङ्कलये अभिरामगुणाकरदाशरथे जगदेकधनुर्धरधीरमते रघुनायक राम रमेश विभो वरदो भवदेव दयाजलदे अवनीतनया कमनीयकरं रजनीकरचारुमुकाम्बुरुहम् रजनीचरराजतमो मिहिरं महनीयमहं रघुराममये सुमुखं सुहृदं सुलभं सुखदं स्वनुजं च सुखाय ममोघशरम् अपहाय रघुत्वहमन्यमहं न कथञ्चन कञ्चन जातु भजे विना वेङ्कटेशं ननाथो ननाथ सदा वेङ्कटेशं स्मरामि स्मरामि हरे वेङ्कटेश प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रियं वेङ्कटेश प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ विना वेङ्कटेशं ननाथो ननाथ सदा वेङ्कटेशं स्मरामि स्मरामि हरे वेङ्कटेशं प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रियं वेङ्कटेश प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ. There comes a moment in every devotee's life where we stop asking and just surrender. Tomorrow we offer not our wants, but our service. We say, I have come from far just to serve your feet. May your remembrance be like breath, gentle, constant, unseen, but essential. May the Lord give you not what you think you need, but what He knows you do. Wishing you a day of presence, prayer, and peaceful return. Om Namo Venkateshaya.